Hey K3, it's Matt here. I hope everyone is doing well. I miss you so much. It's very different to be home and not getting to see you guys every day. I miss the funny things you would tell me, the amazing art projects you would give me, the hugs I would get. I just miss you all so much. I hope you're listening though to your mom and dad and auntie, that you're having fun at home and that you're learning at home. I also wanted to tell you that every week I check to see the work that you're doing, and I'm very proud of all of you. Give yourself a big pat on the back because you're doing a great job. Now, you might remember that when we were in K3 together, every Monday we would do something called Letter of the Week, where we would take a new letter, learn all about it, we'd do games with it, we would write with it, we would listen to songs about the letter, and we're going to do that again today. It might be a little bit different because you're at home and I'm at my home, but we're still going to do a new letter of the week. Before we begin, though, I have to make sure, do you have your listening ears? And if you do, can you point to them? Here are mine. Do you have your looking eyes? If you do, point to them. There they are. Great. And finally, for this video, you might need one more thing. Something to write with. Now it could be markers and paper or pencils and paper. You might even have a whiteboard at home, kind of like the kind we have in K3. Whatever you have to write with, I would like you to go get it now. You can pause the video, have your grown up pause the video, go get something to write with and come back. When you have your things to write with, I want you to sit down and then give me the thumbs up. All right, looks like we are ready to begin. Before we begin, we're going to do a double high five. So what I'd like you to do, K3 friends, take your two hands like this and bring them closer, closer, closer to mine. Ready? Double high five. There we go. All right, let's get started. So what I'm going to do is I am going to show you our new letter of the week. And our letter of the week is dun, 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 G. G, game, G, G, game. It's so tricky. And the reason is when I ask friends, what sound does G make? They go, J, J, J. But G doesn't go J, J, J. J, J, J would be like jug, J. G goes G, G, like game, G, G, game. All right, Mr. G, I'm going to put you down right there. And now I'm just going to move my box down here. You might see me moving. That's okay. There we go. Make sure that the view is to float on top so I don't lose you guys. And now let's get started learning all about the letter G. There he is. G, G, G. The letter G makes the G sound. Can you say G, G? Oh, good job. Can you say G, G in a tired voice? G, G. Can you say G, G in a happy voice? G, G. Can you say G, G in an old man voice? G, G. Good job. G makes the G, G sound. What else makes the G, G sound? I want you to think. Massage your brain and think to yourself, what words do I know that go G, G? Let's see what ones I know. I know a G, G, goat. Goat goes G, G. Gum. Gum makes the G, G sound. Gorilla. G, G, gorilla. That is a G word. A G, G, ghost. Ghost makes that G, G sound. A G, G, gift. Gift is a great G word. And you guys make me so many gifts all the time. I'm very lucky. G, G, gift. Oh, and a G, G, gate. Gate. That's a very good G word too. Gate. So now we're going to do a little game. I hope you have your listening ears. Do you still have them? Can you point to them? I'll point to mine. Listening ears. What else starts with the G? Are you ready to play the game? 3 things are going to pop up, and you have to figure out which one starts with a G. Which one goes g, g, g? Let's see. We have a muffin, a cat, and a guitar. So I want you to think, my K3 friends. Muffin, cat, guitar. Muffin, cat, guitar. All right. If you think you know the answer, can you touch your nose? Okay, let's find out what it is. We'll start at the muffin. Muffin. That's not a g. It's more like m muffin. It's not the muffin. How about the cat? K. No, cat is like C. C, cat. K, cat. I know. Guitar. Guitar. If you got that right, give yourself a pat on the head this time. And if you didn't, that's okay. You can watch the video again and play again. So that's our letter G. Now, just like when we were in K3, I have a special G video to show you.
The letter G has a G sound like gummy, gulp, and goo. Lots of words begin with G. I'll sing a few for you. Turkeys all say gobble, gobble. Babies say goo, goo. Gorillas go hoo, hoo, ha, ha. Ghoulie ghosts, so just say boo. Gooey, gurgle, goopy, gushy. Funny words that start with G. Where would a word like giggle be without that goofy letter G? Without that goofy letter G. Goldie the goldfish and Gus the guppy keep swimming to and fro. When Gus gets going, Goldie goes wherever Gus decides to go. Gooey, gurgle, goopy, gushy. Funny words that start with G. Where would a word like giggle be without that goofy letter G? Without that goofy letter G. Now Gary goes galloping in the rain. Through mud puddles Gary sloshes. He keeps his feet from getting wet when he wears his green galoshes. Gooey, gurgle, goopy, gushy. Funny words that start with G. Where would a word like giggle be without that goofy letter G? Gooey, gurgle, goopy, gushy. Funny words that start with G. Where would a word like giggle be without that goofy letter G? Without that goofy letter G. Without that goofy letter G. The letter that goes G. What was it again? Letter G.
Wow, what a great song. And I even heard a few more letter G words like gallop, kind of like how a horse would gallop, guppy, which is a fish. Did you hear any other G words? Did someone say gooey? I thought I heard that too. Gooey. Those are all letter G words because they make the letter G sound. G. Next, we're going to do a little find the letter game. Find the letter G.
The Singing Walrus.
Find the letter G.
Hi, kids. Today we're going to find the letter G. Do you remember what the letter G looks like? Here's the capital G. That's the big G. And here's the lowercase g. That's the small g. First, we'll find the capital G. There are 3 capital G's in this picture. You have 20 seconds to find them. Are you ready? Go! Did you find them all? Great job! Next, we'll find the lowercase g. There are 3 lowercase g's in this picture. You have 20 seconds to find them. Are you ready? Go! Did you find them all? Fantastic! Next time, we'll find the letter H. Click here to watch our letter G writing lesson.
Wow, that was a pretty fun game too. Did you find all the uppercase G's? What about all the lowercase G's? They were tricky. You did? You guys are really good at that game. Let me take my screen over here, and I'm going to make it a little bit bigger. Pause the video, and if you already have it, maybe you can help me count down from 5 together. Ready? 5, 4, 3. Oh, I can't keep my fingers up. 3, 2, 1. All right, ready to go. So I'm going to write with this board, which you remember from school, and it actually has our lines, right? It had that top line that we always start the letter at. Where do we start the letter? At the top, at the top. That's the sky line. Then we have that plain line in the middle. Then at the very bottom, we have the grass line right there. And then at the very, very bottom, I should say, we have the worm line. The worm line. And we don't go to the worm line for all the letters, but a few of them we do. So to start writing a G, my friend, I want you to watch me first, and then you can write it. We can write it together. I'm going to start at the top, at the skyline, and it's okay if you don't have a skyline. You just find the top of the paper. And I'm going to start by making almost like the letter C all the way down to the grass line. Watch this. Do you remember our friend, the letter C, like cat? I'm going to go all the way down like that. There you go. Next, I'm just going to go up to the plain line, and then over. G. I'm going to do another one. So I'm going to start at the skyline, make the magic C, all the way down to the grass line, up to the plain line, and then over like that. That's the letter G. G, G, G. So many great words with G. Gum, good, gallop. And that's how we would do it. So if someone ever came to you and they said, hey, can you write the word gorilla? You might not know all the letters, but you can think, gorilla, that starts with the G. I know how to make the G. And you can go right up here. Start at the top, go down to the grass line, then up to the plain line, then over, G. If you wanted to write a lowercase, which you could practice too, kind of just do a little O between the grass and plain line, and then a line down to that worm line. We use the worm line for the lowercase g, G. So I have a tricky challenge for you, my friends. Can you write the letter G 3 times on a new piece of paper, or clean the whiteboard and start over? Write it 3 times, and I'm going to do it too, okay? Are you ready? All right. 3 times. Letter G. G, 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 g. Goes G. G g g g g goes G. Let's see, to write a G I have to start at the top and make a C, and then I go up, and then I go over. Did you finish your G's yet? I just finished mine. Can I show you? Okay, here we go. Hold up your G. G G G G. G G G. G G G. Great job, my friends. I'm gonna put that down. Wow, it was so fun to learn about a new letter of the week with you. Next week we're gonna do this again with a different letter. I'm already wondering what it might be. I'll have to think about that. Now, if you want to listen to that G song again, play that G game again, or write some more G's with me, you can start the video over again. Right. I miss you all. Thank you for learning about G with me. Goodbye.